Hi friends, welcome. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install VS Code on your Windows machine. So for this, you need to open your browser. In this case, I'm using from Google Chrome. Just write down download VS Code and click enter. Okay, open this first link. So you can download from here. If you have Windows, you can download for Windows or Linux or Mac. So I'm using from Windows. I'm going to click on Windows. And the downloading is starting, or you can tap in this download button. So I have already downloaded this, so I'm going to stop this. Let's open our file. So just open this. Wait a second. And just accept this condition and click next. And you can click next and install. Just wait for installing. Okay, it's getting finished. Just launch VS Code, take this option and finish. Okay, the OBS Code is opened, and here you can use it. So if you want to install any extension, you can install from here. For example, this React JS extension. Or you can use from Google Copilot, this GitHub Copilot. And you can use from this search option, or you can open your file folder or any file if you have. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.